Alright, so now I got the head cut out. It is now time to fold this up into a box to make the head. So the way I'm going to go about this is everywhere I see a solid line, that is where I'm going to fold. Okay? So starting off with that, I'm going to flip this upside down, and you notice that my first fold line is right here. So what I'm going to do is carefully, all right, I want to pull it up so that seam is just like right at the very edge. Then what I'm going to do is to take my thumbs, the end of a finger, whatever you got handy, and you're going to put a really good crease into that like this. Okay? See how I have a fold right there at the line. So I'm going to repeat that process right here. Flip the paper up. Again, I'm looking for the line. Right along that line, I want to take my fingers and make a good crease like this. Okay? All right, I'm going to do the same thing here. Make a crease right on the line. Okay? Now I'm going to do the same thing for the sides of the head. Right around there. And right about there. Okay. Next, I need to work on these folding tabs. So take your time and be patient with these, because getting these little flaps out are going to be challenging. Okay, so you see how I just made a nice little crease right there on that tab. I need to repeat that process over here with these. So I need to peel this up like that. Make a crease. Same thing right here. Now these ones are going to crease a little bit easier than that top one because you've already been cutting around the edges a little bit. So it's kind of helped to make the paper a little bit weaker at those points, so it will be easier to get to that point. Okay? All right, got two more folds to make. One right here. Okay. And then one right here. Okay, so at this point, so just to show you all real quick what our end goal here is, okay, what we want is we want this to come up around here like that, and then this is going to roll around and kind of form the top like this. So we're going to get a box by the time all is said and done. Oh, I think I missed one. Let me come over here and get this one. Okay. All right, so at this point, I have got all the folding tabs made. So what I'm going to do is begin gluing, okay? Now, one thing that I want to impress upon you here during this process is that you're going to need to take your time and have a little bit of patience, because this glue is not the strongest stuff in the world. So what you're going to need to do is once you apply it on there, it's going to take some firm pressure to make the glue set enough so that it will stay put together. Okay? So what I want to do here real quick is, let me put a little bit, so if you're going to do it this way, put a little piece of scrap or something down underneath so that the table doesn't get all covered in glue. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to smear a bit of glue on this, so again, on this area right here, this folding tab, right? I'm going to smear some glue on there. I'm going to smear some glue on here. And I'm going to smear some glue on here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this edge up against this. So I want to pull this up. I want to line the corner up as best I can. Then what I want to do is kind of set this on the table, and I want to run try to do the best I can. I want to apply some really firm pressure in here. Let me double check to see how I'm going. I need to apply some really firm pressure in there to that edge to make the glue stick. Okay? Alright, so I got the glue to stick there. Okay. I'm actually going a little bit out of order here. I might actually want to get over here. We're going to get this side. Now, there's several different ways to do this. You don't have to necessarily do it the exact same way I am. You can choose whichever works best for you. But as you can see, I'm going in here and I am applying some firm pressure to get these to stay together, right? I want to press on this really good to make sure that that sticks in there. All right. Now, next thing I want to do is I want to make sure that there is glue on these tabs. Let me bend this back out of the way. All right, I want to make sure that there's glue on this tab right here. That there's also glue on this tab over here. Okay. Now I am going to fold this over. Again, you keep hearing me say firm pressure. You gotta apply some firm pressure to make that glue set up. Stick your finger along the seam, press down on it, make it go. Okay, same thing over here. I'm gonna try to line that up. Press really hard. Press really hard to force that glue to stick. I'm putting my finger there. I'm pressing down on it to make sure that it stays. Okay, we're almost there. I'm going to do the top flat next, and then we're all done. I'm going to fold this back out of the way. If any of these come apart during the process, well, that's not doing too bad. But if any of these start coming apart during the process, just smear a little bit more glue on it and crimp it with your fingers really, really good so that it doesn't come apart again. Okay? All right, I'm going to smear some glue on these surfaces. All right. Now I'm going to try my best to make these line up as best as I can get them. This is probably going to be the part that it's not going to be as easy to apply pressure to this particular piece as it is the others. So you may opt to, if you're really having trouble getting this to stick, you might opt to use some tape or something like that just to hold it in place. Now you see I have a separate issue here. You see how the paper is kind of delaminating from the edge there. So if that happens, just smear some new glue on it. Just smear some new glue on it and stick it back down. Okay. All right, so at this point, this is going to form the head of your Minecraft character. All right, so in the next video, we're going to talk about how to do the body.